Good morning, teachers, and welcome to another episode of Experiments with ScienceBus from Wacebo. Today, we'll study the Optics Kit. In particular, we'll look at an important phenomenon, the refraction of light. Refraction is the phenomenon in which light changes its direction when it passes from one transparent medium to another, a different transparent medium. For example, when it passes from air to glass, from air to water, or from glass to water. When there is a transition between different transparent media, we can then observe the phenomenon of refraction. To show it to our students in a more didactic and well-structured way, we are going to use a glass prism. The prism will quite obviously allow us to study refraction because we will have a passage of the light beam from the air, which is a transparent medium, into the glass of the prism. In order to carry out this experiment, we will need the light emitter, the goniometer, which allows us to observe the phenomenon of refraction more closely. That is to say, how the light beam changes its direction, the glass prism, of course, and the filter for the single beam light emitter. To carry out the experiment, we first of all switch on the light emitter. Let's apply the single output filter. Let's align the beam of light precisely with the 0 on the protractor so we can check its direction properly. Now let's apply the prism, place it carefully in the center of the protractor, and let's see how it deflects the beam of light. So the important concept to leave our students with is that the prism deflects light not by reflection, as it did with the mirror, but by refraction, that is, due to a difference between transparent media. To discover more experiments on optical phenomena, keep following us here with ScienceBus from Wacebo.